Hello, YouTubers. I just got me a bunch of dinosaurs and pretty jazzed. This is almost like a miniature Jurassic Park. And I want to show it. Now I gotta find a home for it, for all these characters, for all these dinosaurs. And what's neat is one of these guys, I think it's this guy, makes noise. Oh, you're not speaking. Come on. Speak. Come on. Come on up here. Say something to the camera. Come on. Come on. Maybe you need to be petted. Or come on. Say something. There you go. Oh. Touch his back leg. Maybe. Come on. Say something else. Arm. There you go. He's mad now. Okay, come on. What are you doing? Come on. Say something. Talk to the other guys. Oh, go join them. Join them. And that's oh, there he goes. There's a character here. This is another. Boy, that's a terrible looking thing. Oh, you're making noise when I'm talking, maybe. And then, that's a bad dude. Alright, I'll make another video, better one than this later. Bye.